Today I'm going to show you how to change the color of an object to any color you want in Photoshop. It's a really easy process that can help you make your photos look even better. Let's get started. All we need to do is create a Hue Saturation Adjustment layer. Next, you'll see a hand tool inside the Hue Saturation Adjustment layer. Right over there. See the hand tool, right? All you need to do is click on the hand tool and then click on the dress. Alright, move the hue and saturation sliders all the way to the right to see which color is being selected. Expand the range so that the entire dress is selected. Expand the range from here and make the transition smoother. As you can see, there are some areas that aren't selected properly. Maybe we need to expand it even more, just like this. Be careful not to affect her skin. This is great. Now you can bring the saturation and the hue back to 0. And then, you can work and choose any color you want. You can also work the saturation if you don't like so much of saturation. You can make it red, pink, whatever color you like. Isn't that so cool?